Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Missing someone. Good morning, my loves. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So it's 1st June, the beginning of a new month, new possibilities, new everything, and it's Madaraka Day here in Kenya. So happy Madaraka Day, Kenya. And I thought, why not spend the day with me? Not really spend the day with me. Why not make breakfast with me? So today we are making potato or potato omelette. Okay, so I'm just going to take a quick shower and then I come back. We make this potato or potato omelette. Easy recipe. It will take us approximately 15 minutes and then we are going to have that continental kind of breakfast, yeah, at least because of the potato omelette. Okay, see you in a few. Ingredients are an egg, potato, and onions. An onion actually. So I made potatoes the other day with rice and I have these leftover potatoes. This is what we're going to use to make the potato omelette. So I'm just going to cut it into really tiny pieces. I'm going to show you in a bit, like tiny pieces. I'm going to cut it into really tiny pieces. Let me just peel it really fast and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Aroma ya tembo. This is black tea. This one here, which is black tea. Strungi. Nachemsha strungi. So we're going to wash the potatoes and then come back and cut them into tiny pieces. So I'm going to put in a little bit of oil in here. Then put in the potatoes. Cut in onions. We're going to let that cook, and then we're going to mash it. So mash them. After 5 minutes, some of them will be cooked, so you mash them as you stir them. Mash them as you stir them until all of them are mashed. So now they are ready. I want to remove them and put them inside the egg. So if you like your food a little bit spicy, this is where you add your chili flakes or chili pepper. This is where you add your black pepper inside the egg, and then put salt to taste. So after beating your egg, you're going to add in the mashed potatoes inside, the mashed fried potatoes inside the egg. So I'd set this oil aside. I'm just going to add a little bit of it and wait for the pan to become hot before I can add this one inside. So I believe the pan is hot now. I'm going to add this inside. And just like that, you have your potato omelette. Oh my goodness, let me just tell you, Raha dipe mwenyewe. It's the little things in life. I've already tasted a piece of this. The best thing I've ever made. Is it? The best thing I've made this week because it's just Monday, Yes. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Then my bread. Yeah, but this thing is nice. This omelette. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. And then with the black tea. Goodness, my goodness, my goodness. You should definitely do this. Definitely, 100% recommend. Hey. Mm. Mm. Hey. Mm. um, life, oh life, oh life, oh life, do do do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.